Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the newest entry in DJI's groundbreaking lineup of drones. This drone brings a host of exciting features, including a 100MP camera, 6K video capabilities, and an impressive 51-minute flight time. If you've been eagerly awaiting the next step in drone technology, this model promises to be a game changer. Whether you're a content creator, an avid traveler, or a tech enthusiast, the Mavic 4 Pro is built to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. So, let's break down everything you need to know about this incredible drone. Camera. Quality and 100MP resolution. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its upgraded camera system. DJI has consistently impressed with their camera quality, and the Mavic 4 Pro raises the bar once again. With a 100MP camera, it captures incredibly detailed images that are perfect for professional photographers and those seeking ultra-high-definition shots. Whether you're shooting landscape photography or capturing fast-moving action, this camera ensures that every shot is crystal clear. The ability to shoot in such high resolution opens up countless possibilities, especially for those who want to crop images without losing clarity or detail. Additionally, the Mavic 4 Pro's camera benefits from advanced sensors that help reduce distortion and improve color accuracy. This ensures that the final product looks natural, with vibrant colors that are true to life. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the camera adapts to provide the best image quality possible. Video capabilities. For videographers, the 6K video resolution is a massive upgrade over the previous models. The Mavic 4 Pro captures stunning 6K footage at 60 FPS, allowing you to record smooth cinematic shots that are perfect for any project. Whether you're working on a documentary, a short film, or just creating beautiful travel vlogs, the high resolution ensures that your footage stands out. The 6K video resolution combined with the drone's exceptional gimbal stabilization allows for incredibly smooth video capture, even in windy conditions. You no longer have to worry about shaky footage ruining your shots. Whether you're flying at high altitudes or capturing dynamic scenes in motion, the Mavic 4 Pro's camera keeps things steady and professional. Minute flight time battery. Life has always been a concern for drone enthusiasts, but DJI has made significant improvements with the Mavic 4 Pro. With a flight time of up to 51 minutes on a single charge, this drone offers more than enough time to get all your shots without constantly worrying about the battery. Whether you're flying over expansive landscapes or capturing detailed aerial footage of cityscapes, the extended flight time ensures that you can capture everything you need in one go. It's important to note that the 51-minute flight time is under optimal conditions. Factors like wind speed, flight altitude, and camera usage can impact the total flight time. However, even with some variations, the Mavic 4 Pro still offers one of the best battery life performances in the drone. Marked advanced flight features and smart controls. The Mavic 4 Pro doesn't just impress with its camera and battery life. It also features a range of advanced flight capabilities that make piloting it an absolute pleasure. The drone uses the latest in GPS and obstacle avoidance technology, ensuring that your flights are smooth and safe. With sensors on all sides of the drone, it can detect obstacles and avoid them with ease, even in tight spaces. This makes the Mavic 4 Pro a great choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Additionally, the Mavic 4 Pro comes equipped with smart flight modes, including active track, waypoints, and point of interest. These features allow for more dynamic and creative shots without requiring expert piloting skills. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or planning a pre-programmed flight path, these smart controls make capturing professional-grade footage much easier. Impressive range and connectivity. Another area where the Mavic 4 Pro excels is its range and connectivity. The drone boasts a maximum transmission distance of up to 15 kilometers, which is perfect for capturing long-distance shots or flying over expansive terrains. The video feed is crystal clear with minimal lag, ensuring that you can always see what the drone sees in real time. This is particularly useful for filming remote locations or when you need to capture a shot from a significant distance. The Mavic 4 Pro also features enhanced Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for seamless connection between the drone and your mobile device. You can control the drone through the DJI Fly app, which offers intuitive controls and real-time data on battery life, flight altitude, and GPS positioning. Build quality and design. In terms of design, the Mavic 4 Pro retains DJI's signature compact and foldable design, making it easy to transport and store. The drone's lightweight yet durable construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of travel while still being portable enough to take with you anywhere. Whether you're trekking through mountains or flying over a beach, the Mavic 4 Pro can easily fit into your backpack, making it an ideal companion for adventurers and creators alike. Conclusion: to sum it up, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is an absolute powerhouse, offering everything you could want in a drone. From its 100MP camera and 6K video capabilities to its impressive 51-minute flight time, it's clear that DJI has once again raised the bar for consumer drones. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or just someone who loves capturing breathtaking aerial footage, the Mavic 4 Pro is sure to impress. With advanced flight features, incredible image quality, and an extended range, the Mavic 4 Pro is built for creators who demand the best. If you're looking to upgrade your drone game or are just getting started in the world of aerial photography, this model is a top contender. So, if you're ready to take your creativity to new heights, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the drone you've been waiting for. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest tech trends.